How to care for and maintain your HAIX boots. We recommend cleaning and polishing your boots once a month or as soon as possible after contamination or exposure to smoke, blood, bodily fluids, or hazardous chemicals. Hand wash with a shoe brush or other soft brush in lukewarm water. Scrub lightly with the wet brush to remove dirt and other soils. Our insoles are removable and machine washable on delicate cycle in cold water. Let the footwear and insoles air dry at room temperature and apply a professional grade silicone-based polish. If you're working with a pair that has a napped nubuck leather, use a clean brush to fluff up the nap again after washing and drying. When cleaning and maintaining your boots, please be aware that the following can damage the leather seams or waterproof barrier: chlorine bleach, detergent, saddle soaps, leaving your boots out in direct sunlight or under strong fluorescent lights for storage, direct hot air like a tumble dryer, hair dryer, radiator, or in front of an oven. Wax or petroleum-based polish clogs the leather's pores, reduces breathability, and can be flammable or reduce the flame and heat resistance of your footwear. HAIX boots are built to last a long time, but they'll last even longer with regular cleaning and the right polish.